Today we're checking out analysis on the volatility indices and of course synthetic markets. And what I mean by synthetic, I'm sure you know what I mean by now. So they are actually copies what really happened on the real forex market. And of course these are available on weekend, on public holidays. Definitely we are moving closer and closer to the holidays. So I think here is a better choice for you. This doesn't go on break. There's no fundamental required, just pure technicals. And if you're good at technical, you're sure you can actually go into technical. Therefore, this is the best way you should be trading. And of course, it's available by a broker called Deriv, and you can just check the description. I will drop a link for you to create an account with them. Of course, creating an account with that link will give you extra opportunity, just like you can actually copy my trade for free. You can get free access to what's it called, to my ebooks, or because once you click that, you automatically get added to my algorithm. That said, let's go straight to today's analysis. And of course, here is 75. So just marking the recent high just formed by the markets. And of course, there is a low right here that the market is currently expecting. And remember, I always follow the recent. So some might say, why did you take it down here, down here, down here? It's still the same thing. It's still respecting this. So this is a recent low around here now. Before, if this get broken, they can think of going down here. Why? Because it tests here, the value there, validated here. So let's see what the man is going to do inside the zone. But then I'm sure by now you know the main entry is going to be a break above this, a testing this, and think of going long with that. And I think it's better on the long side, being that this market has been on the bullish side for a long time, or a period of time, for a long period of time. So but then entry is actually possible. So let's check out on the bearish side of the market. So the bearish side of the market, you want to see the markets are breaking below this, retesting this and giving us time to short this market, definitely to this next level right here. That's this next low. So that's what we'll be looking at. But then for the scalpers, you just want to see a break of structures in the zone. That means you want to see series of what's it called, higher highs and lower lows in the zone. So that's what we want to see as a scalper. So I think for here, I don't think there's actually something for you to trade here. They say maybe you want to go short and put stop there, but I think it's better just to the market to react to either this or this. So if you get rejection of the market, like to maybe pull back something like this, something like this, get again, and then they can think of going long. Or maybe if you get see something like this, you can think of something like rejection followed by good bearish candle, you can think of going short down here. Otherwise, that's for scalpers. I'll just expect a breakout above this, then a test of this for it to go long on that. That's it. Let's go to 75 1 seconds. Definitely, I call it the elder brother of 75 itself. So this 75 1 seconds. So we're going to stay to the H4 to see what is happening around there. And definitely, I think something's actually happened around there, just the way we said earlier. Recent high, recent low, minor structure. Minus because you can see it around here. It seems to be a rejection there. So let's go to H1 to confirm if there's a structure there. Yeah, you can see more like the market will break above, or what's it called, above, but if it wasn't able, you can see it again around here. So this is a minor structure. So then let's just zoom this out to see what we want to see now. Okay, getting rejected already, but then let's go to the H for the 15 minutes. Let's not conclude about that yet. Okay. I think 15 minutes is actually a bit validating what you said. So let's go to 5 minutes to see if we can get our trend line drawn for it to break our trend line before we think of. I think there's no rejection for us to validate this. So just okay, let's go back to our 15 minutes. That is going to be our entry time frame. So let me just delete this. So you want to see this, these are bearish candle currently closing. You want to see it close fully below this, and then you can get another bearish candle closing again, getting you us up below this, then I think you can think of going short. But I think this alone wouldn't want to say, okay, go short on this or no. So we're going to wait for this, then the next bearish candle closing again on the 15-minute chart, then we can think of going short on that. And if you're going short, definitely that candle, if this is closing somewhere around there, that close may be somewhere around here. They can think of going something like this. That means our stop loss is going to be below this rejection, and of course, peak profit is going to be around this level, which is definitely up to 1:2. Remember, 1:2 is to reward ratio. Okay, that said, please, I wish everyone to be careful on this. don't risk more than you can afford to lose. So let's go to boom 500. Okay, now on boom 500, let's go around here to the H4 to see if we can mark out our recent structures around there. Okay, let me just zoom this and let me zoom this here. Okay, so on H4 you can see a series of rejection around here. Then we can see the recent high here. So let's go back to 15 minutes to see what we want to see. Okay, so you can see, let's just then adjust this to fit into this. Okay, they can see that, which is the recent. Okay, so definitely have nothing to do inside this zone. So the best is just for us to wait still, waiting for a breakout below this, testing this, then we go short. But then if that does not happen, we wait for a breakout above this. This is the best option. I wouldn't say you should be catching or trying to catch any trader, because remember, this is like the market trying to move in a range around here. So anything actually happen around this level. So just wait for market. If you want to wait for it to break above this, definitely is going to be your target, and that is definitely going to be extremely too small, because where it's going to be your stop loss, so you might not be able to catch up to 1:2. So it's just better just wait for a breakout above and a retest of that to go long or short on this. But I think I'll be dropping a lot on this. End of that happen, I'll be dropping a lot to let you know. That said, if today is the first time coming across my video, please do it to make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget the bell icon so you get reminded once I drop the next video. And if you run an account with this broker, remember I see that Deriv, you can just check the description. I'll be dropping a link there for you to register with them. And of course, registering with that account automatically puts you in my upgrade and giving you extra benefits. So on boom 1000, here is recent low, recent high. So let's see if we can see any break of structure, tell you the market likes to move back here. Okay, yes, we actually see that, but then if you're going long on this market, definitely you're going around here, and stop is going to be somewhere around here. So where is people going to think, oh, sorry please, I think I choose the wrong. So I mean this. That means your stop loss is going to be around below this, and take profit is going to be here. This is definitely just extremely small, like it's just like 1.29. So I think it's better I just have to wait for the market to break above this. You see the test will also go long on that. So please have to just keep eye on this. I think here is better than trying to chase the market around there. Or if that does not happen, why should that not happen? Because there's actually a change of structure. You can see this breaking above this previous high, and of course you can see this market breaking also above this recent high around there. So there's high chance of the market actually getting to this zone. So when it gets here, we can get a breakout, or maybe if it does get a breakout, get a rejection, they'll actually think of going short. But I think I will be positive on the bullish side. So expecting a breakout, a test, then for me to continue on that. So let's go to the crash 500. Okay. So on crash 500, let's go to H4 once again. I think this market seems to be giving a little bit of confusion. I say confusion because I think I'll just be staying out of this for today, except I'm never going to check 15 minutes for entering at all. If I don't get the breakout above this or break below this, I don't think I'll do anything. Because looking at this already, you can see a lot is going on around it. The bears and bulls are really fighting around it. So I think it's better just wait for a full breakout above this, closing above this fully. They can take a going long, or then a break above this, shorting this to this level. So I think that I'll be doing on that. I'm not going to check the entry time frame because this so I'm just staying out of it, except that actually happened. If that does not happen, I'll just stay out of the market. So let's go to the final one. This is going to be cash 1000. Okay, on cash 1000, wow, because that has been bullish. Anyway, let's still say, I think the market is already gone, far gone. But let's go to our entry time frame to see if we can see any entry. I think I suggest just leave this market, please. I know you might say, it's going bullish, it's going bullish. You might choose to go long here. The way you're going to put your stop loss, you put your stop loss there. So we're going to be able to take profits. So I think it's better just stay out of crash 1000 for now, except you see any other nice setup. Please definitely let you know in the alerts videos. That said, that's going to be the end of today's analysis on day trade on synthetic market. Of course, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. And please stay safe and stay out of troubles. And I wish everyone an happy holiday.